Hi and hello folks, how are you? Hope you are doing all great and thank you for joining into this course. So in this video we are going to look at how to set up the Fusion. So I will be taking you around the website on the Fusion 360 where you can get your Fusion software for the student and for professional and for hobbies. It's free. You get some limitations but it's almost free. And next we will be showing you for the course like the exam you're willing to give, like the professional in associate in CAD for mechanical design. I will show you the course where you can get it, all the syllabus required for the course. After that we will be going through the interface of the Fusion 360. How can you customize it to your need, like the basic units, like the interface, how you like the lighting, how you like the look of the Fusion. We can customize that a bit and I will show you that. So in this session 0 it will be an introductory session, so most of the thing will be aesthetic maybe, so no much learning will be going on. So saying that, let's start with this course or this session. Fatak se. So jumping right into the browser, which the browser you'll be using. We're using a Chrome. If you hit the Fusion 360 in your software, you will get a lot of links. So this is the official website where you need to buy if you're a professional or if you're an industrialist. But if you scroll down, there will be a free trial, but you don't have to click this because it's like a 1 month free trial for professional people. If you go down, there is a 360 for student and educators, and there is a free software for student and educators. So you can hit on this. It will open this place. So Fusion is free for student. You have to just upload your like ID proof of the college which you are enrolled in, and it must be a recognized college or recognized university. That's what Fusion recognizes. If you are tier 3 college, my friend, sorry, you can just use the hobbyist version if you want. And you can see like the Fusion 360 features there: flexible 3D CAD, integrated CAD CAM, like manufacturing process. You can create G codes which can be given to CNC machines or 3D printers directly through Fusion, so that make it handy. You can even design PCBs in here if you are working on a prototype of a product and you have a PCB Gerber file and you want to create a 3-dimensional PC. Have you looked at it, like 3D PCs with the component that you can just make it in Fusion? I will not be teaching that. It come in a complex thing. Next will be the seamless 3D simulation, like stress analysis, dynamic analysis, various of I will show you along the glow. I will not go deep into this because actually it come under a professional level. Then exploring generative design tool. This is like AI in the Fusion. The AI revolution is going on, but AI is in CAD for very long. Now let's move to getting your Fusion. So you can just hit the Get Fusion, land on this page. So you can just create an account in the top right corner. You have to put in your details and all that. You have to create an account. After that, you can just scroll down. There are various like you can see lots of software which you can download, but here is a Fusion 360. You can just get started and you have to put on the details. Further on you have to log in and you can just get the soft copy, and you also have to enter your college document for verification. After that, if you come to back page, if you go to learn, and here is a tab called certification. If you go into certification, so in certification it will show you the instruction and all that. In the top corner it is certifications, and if you hit that, if you scroll down from here, you will see all the certification provided by the Autodesk software. Like there are Autodesk, AutoCAD, Revit is usually for structural engineers and that. If you scroll down in the product design and manufacturing, there is this certificate called the Autodesk Certified Associate in CAD for Mechanical Design. That is what we are targeting for in this course. And there is a second one, this is a higher one, like the Autodesk Certified Professional in Design for It's like when you get a lot of experience in Fusion, you can just apply for that. If you are like a professional, you know everything, then you can just directly go. But I will recommend, if you're a student or just starting up, you can just get this to like show. There are also various other for manufacturing. Let's go for this one. If I hit it, so we will land on this page. As you can see, here are like all the details of the certification are given. 90-minute exam time, 40 to 45 questions. Exam is available in English. That's the fees. It's pretty heavy, like $150 is like upon that you have to pay taxes also. So it's kind of expensive course, but it's worth it. Valid for 2 years. Then you have to reappear for the exam. After that, if you go to get certificate, you have to hit here. I will show it in the last video, like how to enroll, how the interface is, all that. For now, you just get through it and prepare for exam. If you hit on here, you will overview. There are some modules given by Fusion, but they are not in that depth. You can just go and study through this also. Okay, in this part, if you go view exam objectives, if you click on here, there will be this PDF. Hope you can see here. So it's Autodesk Certified Assistant CAD for Mechanical Design. Here you can see all the requirement. Approximately 150 hours of Autodesk software experience is required. I will also say that because the exam is more of like a practical base, so they will ask very practical question. These are the skills required: navigation to the user interface, identify area. You can just go through this all, and you will get an idea of it. There is the exam objectives. What are the like syllabus you can say for the exam? This is what a project setup, create a project file structure. You can just go on. Like I will cover all of this in the course, but if you want, you can just go around and just mess around a bit. There's a lot of basic things here. You have to have a basic requirement for lots of things, and there are no much information about deep. So in the end of the course, I will be going in depth. There will be extra session. You can just call a bonus session where I will teach you extra tools like rendering, animation, basics of that, so that if you are a beginner, you can just get a hands-on, and who's are preparing for exam, they are already set for the syllabus. So next, let's go to the Fusion 360, and I will show you the interface and all of the Fusion. So see you in the next video. Adios.